Hi, it's Tracy, and I want to talk to you about my cat Lily and her favorite things. Here we go. All right. So, the first favorite thing you probably can see already is this Kong inclined cat scratcher. You can tell by the way it is destroyed that this little kitty cat, which is sitting right next to me, you can see her tail poking out, loves this thing. I have these all over the house, and it's really great because she uses that instead of my furniture. So I highly recommend this. I think I got it on Amazon. It's really inexpensive. It's made of like cardboard. It's light. There was at some point a little thing in the center, but oh, maybe there is. I don't know. But yeah, you can see it. There you go. And she loves it. Inexpensive way to protect your furniture and have her scratch that instead of your furniture. Okay, another thing that is really important when you have a cat is a cat brush. This is a Furminator. It's very highly recommended, and you can't see me doing it, but she likes it. I usually give her lots of love while I'm doing it and tell her how pretty she is, and it really takes the fur, and again, it gets the shedding, so that way she sheds. You can take the all the extra fur off now rather than it getting all over your house. Now, as for food, I know food is controversial, but I give her raw. It's freeze dried raw. It's, cats are pure carnivores. Unlike dogs, they're like us, they're omnivores. Cats are pure carnivores. And so this is real dead animals. I actually put it in a blender. These are little patties. I don't want to touch them because they're raw. These are little patties, and I actually put them in the blender, make it almost like a powder, and then I put water in it. And what's so great about it is, first of all, cats don't drink enough water naturally. Cats in the wild don't drink water. Unlike us, they don't get thirsty for it. The only water they really consume is what's in the stomachs of their prey. So what I like to do is I ground this down in the blender so that it's really fine. Then I add water to make sure she's getting enough water. What's also really good about that is then if she's on any medicines or anything, I can put it in her food, as opposed to if it's like kibble, you can't hide anything in their food. They're like, I see the pill. But if it's in like a mush, I make it like a wet food basically. Then it's good for them because they get water and they don't get dehydrated, and it's also good for them because they can get their medicines. And a lot of cats, especially when they get older, have all kinds of problems from being dehydrated most of their life. And so I'm hoping to protect Lily from that and keep her nicely hydrated. And also because I use raw, I use a new bowl for every food and I wash it in the dishwasher. So I just have like tons of these little silver bowls. I probably have like 50. I use a new bowl for every food, every time I feed any of my animals because, um, you know, it's just cleaner for them, and you don't want them getting sick. Now, cats love heat. Lily has a heating pad, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But I also have, this is like for little animals, and you can just, if there's a spot that she really likes a lot, this gets really, really hot and generates a lot of heat. Cats love heat. They like temperatures that are even warmer than us. So like right now it's the summertime, so I have the air conditioner on, but I'll always give her her heating pad, which I'm going to take you to right now, and that light, and so it's really nice and toasty for her. No matter how cold I like to make the house, she is nice and toasty. Let's go check out the heating pad. So this is Lily's heating pad. Pretty much you can always find Lily on her heating pad. She loves this thing so much. As I mentioned, cats love warmer temperatures than we do. So this keeps her nice and toasty. And what's so cool about it is when you first touch it, it's not that warm, but the more you sit on it, the warmer it gets. And this top layer is washable. So I take it off. I probably wash it about twice a week because otherwise it gets covered in cat fur. And this is Lily's happy place. I highly recommend if you have a cat, this is an extra large one. I could probably fit about 4 cats, but Lily has the whole thing to herself and she likes it that way. And this is Lily's happy place. So, have you used any of these products? If so, I'd love to hear your opinion below. Are there any products that your cat absolutely loves and we all need to know about? Please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.